Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you want to create a website, start a blog, or build an online business, the first thing you need is reliable web hosting. That is the problem. Most people end up paying more than they should for hosting because they don't know about the extra discount links available online. In this video, I will show you step by step how to buy hosting from Hostinger using a special link that gives you an extra 20% discount. So, if you want to save money while buying hosting, watch this video until the end because I will show you the exact process many beginners miss. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the special discount link. First, go to the video description below. There you will find a special 20% extra discount link. Click that link and it will take you directly to the official website of Hostinger. The important thing here is that this link automatically activates an extra discount on your purchase. Many people visit the website normally and miss this step, which means they pay a higher price. So, always make sure you open Hostinger using the discount link first. Step 2. Choose the best hosting plan. Once you open the website, you will see several hosting plans. For example, premium web hosting, business web hosting, and cloud web hosting. If you are a beginner, I recommend choosing the premium web hosting plan. Why? Because it includes several useful features such as free domain name, free SSL certificate, ability to the host up to 3 websites, free email accounts, good performance for WordPress websites. These features are perfect if you want to start a blog, portfolio, affiliate website, or small business website. After choosing your plan, simply click Add to Cart. Step 3. Select your hosting duration. Next, you will be asked to select your hosting duration. You will usually see options like 12 months, 24 months, 48 months. Now, here is money saving tip. If you select the 48 months plan, you will get the lowest monthly price plus the maximum discount. This means you can save a lot more money compared to shorter plans. So, if you are serious about building a website long term, choosing the longer plan is usually the best option. Step 4. Create your account. After selecting the plan, the next step is to create your account. You can sign up in several ways. Using your email address, just enter your details and continue to the checkout page. It only takes about 30 seconds to create your account. After created the account, you will be redirected to the billing details form. Fill all the required fields of this billing form. Then click on continue. Complete the payment. Now you will reach the checkout page. Here you should see that the discount from the special link is already applied. Then choose your preferred payment method such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, or other available options depending on your country. After fill up the credit card form, click complete payment. Once the payment is successful, your hosting account will be activated instantly. What happens after buying hosting? After purchasing hosting from Hostinger, you will get access to your hosting dashboard. From there, you can connect your domain, install WordPress with one click, create your website easily, and your website will be live on the internet in just a few minutes. So that's how you can buy hosting from Hostinger using 20% extra discount link and save money. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching and I will see in the next video.